Guys, Gatsby here from Spartan Airsoft, and today we have ourselves an Evike unboxing and Airsoft GI, but Airsoft GI has not gotten here yet, so we're going to start with this, and then we'll put the video in with the other one, put them together. Alright, so to open this, we're going to use my knife my older brother got me for graduation. It's pretty awesome. God bless America. And you open it, it says, "United we stand, divided we fall." Alrighty, and as you see, I have two hands now. I have the nice tripod. Alright, let's get this opened. Alrighty, close knife for safety. Over here. Alright, we're gonna open this up. Only two products in here. Oh, thank you. 2% off. Don't even worry about that. I don't really care. 2% off. Got ourselves some of them Evike headphones. Test them out. I need a new headphone, so might as well. Next up, got ourselves this, and what's this? Oh, that's none of that. That's all nonsense. Alright, what we got here is, as you can see, Firefox. Battery. It's a LiPo. Comes in a really nice plastic case. Ooh, fancy. Uh-oh. Here's the battery. It's a buffer tube battery, so it'll fit right in the buffer tube. It's an 11.1. 1250 milliamps. Not bad. Not bad. The rest of the stuff in this box. Uh-oh, we got more tape. Handy dandy knife. Ooh. Uh-oh. I wonder what this plug could go to. Said that right there. Move all this trash out of here. Let's see what else is here. Oh, I didn't need to cut that off. Wow. Da-da-da. Ooh, orange, fancy. Ooh, this is the LiPo charger for this big boy right here. So I got the charger battery bundle, and it was 41 bucks. And then this was like, I think 10 bucks or something. And I need to do headphones, so I might as well, And so, yeah, all the things I got in this package today. Got this whole package and Z headphones. Fuck, gotta get used to this new camera setup. Yeah, but you got the headphones, battery, and the charger. So yeah, next up will be the Airsoft GI unboxing. Alright guys, this is the Airsoft GI box. Alright, let's go open. Come on now. Alright, first up we got all their little packets. If you've ever worked from Airsoft GI, it's just a bunch of tips and tricks, 102 to 106. Just a bunch of tips and tricks about guns and all that stuff. Holy crap. I guess they wanted me to have a lot of these. That's cool, I guess. Throw all this off to the side. Alrighty. packing paper, packing slip. Alright, what we have here is we have ourselves a hold on one second. Version 3. Ouch, they sent me the wrong one. First off, it's version 3 and it's front wired. Not what I asked for. I wanted to get the version 2 rear wired gearbox for that M4 back there, but they sent me a freaking version 3. Okay, I'll have to email them and return this. There's that. A piece, yeah, I don't know. So I was supposed to get the version 3, it kind of pisses me off. And the second thing I got in here was, of course, Echo 1 motor, max speed for a, version 2. Yeah, but long, so it'd fit in the M4. So yeah, I got the Echo 1 motor. And I'll have to be shipping this back, because this was supposed to be a version 2. Focus. There we go. This was supposed to be version 2. So yeah, I'm gonna be shipping this back, getting the version 2. So yeah, I will probably put the version 2 when I get that. I'll do the unboxing of that in this video too, so look forward to that. And I'm kind of disappointed now, but it's whatever. What can you do, you know? They send you the wrong crap. See what it says on here. As you see right here, it says version 2. That's a version 3. So yeah, we're going to fix this. Alright, hey guys. So what happened in the last clip was Airsoft GI. I bought a version 2 big dragon rear wired gearbox from them, but they sent me a version 3. And in the process of sending that back, they went out of stock of the version 2, so they refunded me my money. So I bought one from Evike, and we're going to unbox that in a minute. But here's the stuff I got with the Airsoft GI: the motor, Echo 1 max speed motor, Firefox 11.1 LiPo with the charger combination. We're going to scoop that off to the side. And here's the Evike box. So this is from Evike, and this is from GI. This came with the gearbox. Magnet. Alright, let's open this up. This is Evike right here. Let's hope it's not a version 3. I'd be a little angry. Let's close the knife. Set it right here. Open up. And here it is right here. This is the APS Silver Edge version 2 wired to the rear gearbox. And it'll be going in that gun back here, which is this one. But I will not be putting it in yet because I'm getting rid of this plastic body and I'm getting a metal body, which is the APS body that fits with this one, so that I can have a lock to the back bolt. We got a thank you from Evike, shipping stuff. And that's it. So yeah, with this we got our gearbox, our Echo 1 motor, 11.1 LiPo, and the LiPo charger. All of this will go to that gun, but in about a week from now, I'll have another unboxing up with a bunch of accessories for that gun. The metal body, a sight for it, a shorter barrel with a real suppression, not that shitty ass foam one, a new hand motor grip. But until then, I'm not putting nothing in yet until I get that metal body, so I can just put that all in there. And I'm gonna, after I unbox that, I'll probably do a video putting it all together. So yeah, this is the unboxing. So comment, like, subscribe. Gatsby out.